Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna be replacing the door lock in my car. So as you can see, I have already disassembled the door, but if you want to know how to do that, you can just watch the assembly in reverse order. I disassembled the door to remove the door lock so I could test it and make sure that it was faulty. And then I ordered a brand new second-hand door lock, as Matt Armstrong would say. So I'm gonna start by removing the old door lock from the door. It's held in place by 3 Torx 40 screws. And before I can remove the lock, I have to remove the cable clip that holds the cable for the lock. And then remove the last screw. Here I almost forgot that I have to remove the window guide as well. That guides the window when you open it. And that one's held in place by 2 10mm nuts. Then I just use a small flathead screwdriver to remove the connector. As you may have noticed, I had also removed the outer door handle wire already, because the fault was that the motor had seized up, so it didn't lock that door. So the easiest way to fix it while I waited for the new door lock was to just disconnect the outer door handle so you couldn't open it. But that one's easy to remove. You just pop the wire out of the holder and then you twist the end clockwise until it pops out. You can also see later in the video when I put it back together. Then it was time to make sure that the new lock worked. So I just used a screwdriver to make the door think that it's closed so I can try to lock it. And you should also be able to hear on the video that it works. You can hear the click. So after that it was time to install everything again with the new lock. And now it was time to connect the wire for the outer door handle. So as you can see, I just twist it clockwise and push it in, and then I can also push the wire shell into the little clip. And here you can see me trying it out. And then I can push the cable clip back in its hole and install the window guide again. Then it was time to tighten the screws for the door lock itself. And then I could start taping the door sheet back together. As you can see, someone else had already been working on this door, as there's some old duct tape. When that's done, I can install the door panel again. So here's where you could watch this in reverse to remove the door panel, as I said in the beginning. So to remove it and put it back, you have to remove this plastic part where the tweeter is. And it's pretty easy, it's just 2 metallic clips, so you just pull it. Then you can insert the window seal first and push the panel downwards until it clicks in place. You can feel it when it's all the way down. Then I'm making sure that every plastic clip is pushed all the way in. Then on the the bottom of the door panel there are two size 2 Phillips head screws that you just screw in. Then there's just 4 screws left and all of those are size 5 Allen key screws. Then I installed the plastic cover behind the door handle and pushed the tweeter back in, and then another plastic cover and also a rubber cover. Then I could just click in the connector for the window switch and push down the panel that has the switch on it. Then I made sure that the window worked, and it did. And lastly I made sure that the door locks and unlocks, which it did, so that's mission accomplished. And that was everything for this video, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!